Okay, so here we are now. Still got a couple of water leaks I gotta take care of before I put her in the water. Seals, I guess, there. All in all, looks good. Doesn't sound too bad in there. It's been running for about a half an hour or so. Just got a jerry can in here for the time being. The motor's running smooth. Still got the charger on it, just keeping her up to speed there. Oh, let's go have a look at the temperature. Okay, temperature's reading, what's that? I guess around 160-ish. There's a 160 degree thermostat in it. Voltage showing it's charging high. I don't know about that. Probably inaccurate. Gotta probably change the gauge. Notice that my tach's not working. Can't see anything there for the tach. Obviously the fuel gauge, because I've got the jerry can in there. Yeah, it seems to be running good so far. I don't think the rear end there is too noisy. Sounds pretty good to me. Let's give it a little bit of gas, see how it sounds. Oh, heard a little bit of a tick there from a lifter. Oh. See, oh no, shit, that's just something rattling over there. Jesus. Got me a little worried there. Okay, I gotta secure that so that doesn't rattle, scare the shit out of me. But yeah, it seems to be running good. I just got the 2-barrel Holly on here, the original carb. Nice and cool here. Nice and cool there. Same with here. Exhaust manifold's nice and cool. That's what you want. Feel the cold water coming in here from the pump. So you want cold here? Kind of lukewarm there and there. And engine temperature here, which is about 160 degrees, I think, right now. So yeah, gonna hang on to that hose. Don't have to let go. It's not. If you gotta let go, then this thing's running a little bit too hot. Yeah, I had a 4-barrel Edelbrock on this last year, and it just sucked back the gas. It was a lot of fun, but sucked back the gas. Yeah, so everything seems to be working out really nice. Running really good. Can't wait to get it in the water and give it a good run. And the animal will be back in the water again. So yeah, folks, don't you know what, when you winterize a boat, you can pump as much antifreeze as you want through it. You can shop back out the block, whatever you need to do. But with these out drives, all it takes is a little bit of water left in there, and there you go, $1,000, $1,500 later, if you can even get the parts. So you know what, I just advise, you know what, from now on, take it off and bring it inside for the winter. It's only 4 or 5 bolts, a couple of wires, and keep your boat running forever. This is a 1976 classic. It's a beauty.